Hello and welcome back. I am Miss Sana with a new video of your new chapter, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. In the videos of last chapter, we learnt about sentences. Now we know sentences are the group of words that have a complete meaning, right? Well, nouns are a part of those words. The most important part of speech as far if we can say. So let's understand what are nouns through this video. There are 8 parts of speech: verb, noun, adjectives, adverbs, etc. Through the medium of this chapter, we will learn about nouns. I am Sana, your English teacher. I'll try my best to make this grammar topic a piece of cake for you. A noun. This part of speech represents a person, place, animal, name, thing or idea or anything that has a name. That naming words are called nouns. Like your name, the name of your school, the name of your book, anything that represents person, place, thing or idea is considered as a noun. If we see the examples written on your screen, I live in Australia. Pacific Ocean is very vast. I love to play with my dog. What are the nouns in these sentences? If we see the highlighted words, Australia, Pacific Ocean, dog, they are the nouns. But why Australia is a noun? Australia is a noun because it is the name of a country. That's why it is a noun. Pacific Ocean is again a naming word for the ocean. Dog, why dog is a noun? Because it is an animal. Animals are also considered as nouns. So, isn't noun an easy topic of your grammar? We have understood what are nouns, right? But do we know the types? Well, this video will help you to pick up and differentiate between types of nouns like concrete nouns, abstract nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, collective nouns, and etc. So let's learn about them in brief. First type we will learn about is proper noun. Proper noun names a particular person, place, or thing. For example, John's, Lisa, India, etc. You have to keep in mind that these words are always capitalized. If we see in the 3 examples written on your screen, Albert Einstein was born in Germany. My name is Mark. I visited the Taj Mahal. All of these highlighted words are proper nouns because the first word is capitalized and moreover, they are the names of a specific person, place or thing. Next type is common nouns. Common nouns, as the name suggests, is the common names given to an object. For example, storybook, country, knife, cup, etc. We do not have any particular names. These particular names are categorized under proper nouns. If we see the 3 examples given on your screen, for example, I love to read storybooks. Storybooks is the common noun because here we have not mentioned the name of that storybook. Second, if we see these chocolates are delicious. Which chocolate is delicious? Chocolates are a noun. But are these common nouns or proper nouns? They are common nouns because we do not have mentioned the type of the chocolate that is delicious. Third, if we see birds live on trees. Birds, there are many birds in this universe. Which bird lives in the tree? Every bird lives in the tree. So that's why birds and trees, which type of trees? Only the common names, they are known as the common nouns. Now, if we have to differentiate between common nouns and proper nouns, I will tell you the way. The way is, first we can see in common nouns, the first words are not capitalized. Secondly, these are the common words. They are not the specific ones. This is the way by which we can differentiate between both. Now let's move to the next type. Next type of noun is abstract noun. Abstract nouns are the names of anything that expresses feelings that cannot be touched, that cannot be seen, but can only be felt. For example, faith, anger, brotherhood, childhood. They are some examples of the abstract noun. If you see on your screen, there is a table where there are common nouns as well as abstract nouns. If we see brother, child, friend, they are categorized under common noun. Why? Because they are the common names. But if we see on the other side, we have brotherhood, childhood, friendship, they are categorized under abstract nouns. Why? Because they are the feelings, they are the time period. We cannot touch a brotherhood, but we can touch brother. We can see brother, but we cannot see brotherhood. That is why they are categorized under abstract nouns. Understood? Next type of noun is collective noun. Collective nouns, that means collective word, the group of words. For example, people, used for more than one person. Animals, used for more than one animal. Things, used for more than one thing. That means we are grouping these things. Those words that group something are known as collective nouns. For example, an army of soldiers, a team of ducks, a bunch of keys. Words like army, team, bunch, they are the words that are used to group. This is the easiest type of nouns to recognize. Next is possessive nouns. Possessive is taken from the word possession. Possession means that somebody owns something. That's why this is known as possessive nouns. And moreover, the difference between these nouns is like these nouns are followed by an apostrophe s. That makes them a possessive nouns. That displays, that signifies that this is the possession possessed by that person. For example, the boy's kite, boy with an apostrophe s. That means that kite belongs to that boy. That means that boy has possessed that kite. Next we have the girl's balloons. That means those balloons belong to girl. Girl is followed by an apostrophe s. That means it is a possessive noun. Last but not the least, we have countable and uncountable nouns. There are many more types of nouns, but we'll understand these first. So countable nouns, that means the words that can be counted. Uncountable nouns, that means the words that cannot be counted. If we see an example, an apple, we can count that apple. One apple, that means counted noun. One picture, two pictures, they are countable. That's why they are categorized as countable nouns. Then if we see the example sugar, can we count the pieces of sugar? No. If we take the example of water, can we count the quantity of water? If we take the example of information, can we count the data? Can we count the quantity of information? No. So that's why they are categorized under uncountable noun. One more thing that should be kept in mind is countable nouns can take both singular or plural verbs, but uncountable nouns take only singular verbs. If we see the example on your screen, in first example we have there is a book on the table. Is a singular verb. If we see the second example, those houses are very big. Are is the plural verb. Now if we move to the uncountable noun example, there is some water in that picture. That means is the verb here, and moreover it is a singular verb. So we need to keep this in mind that uncountable nouns always take singular verbs. I hope you know the difference between plural and singular verbs, right? By this, the difference between different types of noun is over, and I hope you have understood what nouns are, what are their types, and now we have one exercise. Actually, two exercises. In the first exercise, you have to make nouns from these words. You can make nouns by adding NESS, ITY in their end. First one I have done for you. Honest can be changed into noun by using Y at the end, that is honesty. Creative can be changed into creativity. Rest you will do on your own and will send me through the mail. In the next exercise, we have the exercise of common nouns. You will pick up the nouns from the two paragraphs that are given on your screen and you will place them under their respective places, whether it's under person category, place category, or animal or things category. So this is also one of your tasks that you have to do and will send me through the mail. Thank you and stay tuned for your assignment that I will provide you through my next video.